Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping, make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon that will notify whenever I post a new video, okay? Yes, so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever video is up here. So today video I'm going to be doing is something that everybody know, especially in Nigeria, like Valentine's Day breakfast idea. My baby girl is here and she's really bombing me. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using. It's just yam, plantain and the rice. Okay, so let's get to it. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. This is the yam I will be using. I'm going to clean the yam and I will show you when I'm cleaning it. So this is the plantain, vegetable oil. I love using vegetable oil for frying because it's light. So I have one red onion, not cube, which I'm going to be using just a little bit of it. About 3 fresh tomatoes or 2 fresh tomatoes and 1 scotch bonnet pepper, curry, 2 eggs, salt, baked beans. I'm going to be serving this with baked beans. You can actually serve them with anything of your choice, or you can skip this step of the baked beans, okay? So now I'm going to slice the tomatoes and get them out of the way before we proceed to the next one. Also going to be slicing the onion as well. So now I'm going to slice my plantain. The plantain is already washed, so I love to wash my plantain before slicing them. But anyway you want to do yours is all your choice. So I tried 2 different methods here. As you can see, I started with the straight, like the normal way, classic way of slicing plantain, and I decided to give it another shape, which is the round shape. But the little heart cutter I have was too big, like it's too big for the round shape. So this is why I started cutting it this classic way of slicing for plantain. So yeah, so after you slice them, use little heart cookies cutter to cut them. You know, it's for Valentine, you know, so you just need to make it that special. So I'm done with the plantain now. This is yam. So when you are slicing your yam, please make sure that you slice them maximum 1.5 inch centimeter. Do not slice them big, because if you slice them too thick, your cutter cannot cut them. You will have difficulty in cutting them with your cookies cutter. So please make sure that they are thin, like a centimeter, like 1 centimeter, okay? So I'm done cleaning the yam and I'm going to be going in first with the bigger heart cutter. Yes, we're using this heart shaped cutter because it's Valentine special, and it's not just only Valentine. You can actually make this normal day for your loved ones, you know. So this is it. This is why I say you shouldn't cut yours to be thick, the yam to be very thick, because if the yam is very thick, you can't, the cookie cutter can't go through them. So I'm going in with a smaller heart shape as well. So I'm done with the yam and the plantain. Now it's time to start cooking. So I have two pan over the heat. The bigger one, I'm going to be using that for the sauce, which is the one I added onion right now. And the other one is going to be for frying of the plantain and yam. So now I'm going to saute that onion for a couple of minutes, and while I'm sauteing the onion, I'm going to be adding my just a pinch of curry inside. If you don't use curry in your egg sauce, give it a try. And I also added a little bit of nutmeg, but I did that off camera. Okay, so if you have nutmeg, give it a dash of nutmeg. You will love the flavor. So after 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing the onion, I added my fresh tomatoes. Give them a quick stir, add salt to taste, and I'm also going to be adding that little bit of nut cube into the sauce. Stir everything together and pull down the heat and allow that tomatoes to cook down for 10 minutes. So while the sauce is cooking, I'm going to start frying the yam and the plantain. Personally, I love to coat my yam with some flour, just a little bit of flour, but you can fry yours whichever way you want, okay? But I just love the crunchiness after frying the yam. So I'm going to go ahead to fry both sides of the yam or until the yam is well cooked. So moving over to the egg, I'm going to crack the egg into my bowl, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of fresh milk into that. Season with salt and pepper, okay? Adding milk into your egg helps your egg to be fluffy and very tasty. So you should give it a try. If you don't do that, just give it a try. So I'm going to whisk that and set it aside. So back to the yam, I'm flipping the yam over to make sure that they are cooking very well. So over to our sauce. It's past 10 minutes and I added that egg into my sauce. When I add the egg into the sauce, I don't like stirring them immediately. I love to leave them over the heat for 2 to 3 minutes before stirring them. So the egg is ready, and that is that. And over to the plantain. I'm frying the plantain. I'm going to fry both sides of the plantain. I didn't throw other little plantains away because I don't want to throw your plantains away. So guys, this is the end of this video. The egg is cooked, the plantain is cooked, the yam is cooked, the baked beans are ready, my coffee is ready, everything is ready, guys. Look at that. Who wouldn't appreciate this on Valentine's Day or normal day when you want to treat your partner right? I hope you give this a try. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please share this video, subscribe and like. Bye.